Very, very good morning, everyone. How are you? Hello, beta Danish, Sapna, Shankaran, Jyoti, Shivangi Rathore, Mitesh Bhai, Arun Shinde, Alok, Vedika. Show me your presence, everyone. And where are the rest of the students? Still, I couldn't get your message. Everyone, I am waiting for your message, beta. Show me your activeness. Show me your presence. Hello, beta Vedika. Good morning. Yes, now the messages are coming. Very good morning, beta Prerna. I am also good, Danesh. Pulkit, good morning. Pulkit, I think you messaged first time. So everyone, we are starting today's session, and from coming to the next session, always we must revise the chapter content covered till the last class. So I'm gonna revise you, but before that I want, okay, Patatewala also, sorry, Patelwala, Khojma, okay, Abdul, yeah, Abdul is your real name. Abdul also shown presence. Yes, everyone. Anyways, let's start. Beta, you know there are 5 units I have shown you. Yes, sir. Unit number 1 is this one, and that is what? That is just theory. Unit number 2 is this one. That is also theory. Unit number 3, this one. That is the ratios, like debt equity ratio. In the case of bank, we have to calculate the debt equity ratio. That is here named as capital adequacy ratio. Unit number 4. This is the numerical part where we have to calculate the income. We have to calculate the reserve for bad debts, where we have to calculate the classification of our assets as a bank. And unit number 5 is there. There are some special type of transactions like beer discounted, acceptance, collection of bills, etc. These type of things. Without wasting your time in different talks, I directly come to the topic so that your time may be utilized in effective manner, because we have very limited lecture. Okay, beta. Unit number 6. These are the unit. This is the unit for complete question, where financial statements of banks are prepared. After being CA, you will be going either to work as an employee in the bank, or either otherwise you may be the practicing chartered accountant, and definitely you will be doing the audit of bank. So you must know the complete understanding of these chapters. Okay. And the last unit number 7, I have given name, but that is just annexure. These annexures are just like, as you know, in case of bank, in case of companies, there is a schedule 3, division 2, division 1. Okay. So these are there are formats of the company's balance sheet, P&L. The same is here in this annexure 1. You will be finding the format of banking company's financial statement, how the balance sheet of bank is prepared, what are the note numbers. In the case of companies, there may be any note number, and here the note numbers are fixed. Anyways, what is the format of P&L of bank? These are the units which are telling you all the things in different. How you will feel if I give you a combined PDF where you will find all the units, theoretical part at one side, and all the numericals in sequence, illustration and questions. And how you will feel along with the same question, you will also find there the past examination questions. You need not to see any other thing except one PDF. Yes, my friend, I have uploaded this PDF. The chapter name is 7 in my personal book, where I have combined all these things. This PDF has been uploaded at the application from where you can download. This is the same PDF which was uploaded in the last session at YouTube with ICI. Please see first before moving further. We must first grip the chapters, where you can grip when you will be finding all the things at single place. Okay, please, I am showing you the content here. I have given you the combined unit. We shall complete the questions with this, because ICI study material is having the questions which are very, very easy. but the concept is very high. So I have combined all the questions into a single PDF where you will find all the question of ICI study material also, along with the advanced question and past examination questions also. Okay, please see. This is the combined PDF where you are having first the unit 1, 2, 3 and all the theories have been combined in this way so that you may feel easy. You may feel easy to do all the questions just before exam with a quick revision. The format have been pasted here. What the annexures were telling, the format of balance sheet and P&L, I have combined here along with the theory at the relevant page. Okay, notes to accounts. All these units have been combined here. Unit number 3 and then unit number 4 also coming here. All the theoretical part have been given on the one side. And after that, you will be finding the numerical part. See. I am showing you these things so that you may be controlling the chapter with grip, with each and everything is in your hand now, that you may revise all the questions in very easy manner. These are the special transactions which we shall cover today. Don't worry. And preparation of financial statement, all the theory has been grouped together. And and now here starts numericals. Here starts numericals. Wait a minute. After theory, you will be finding the numerical part here. And this is coming. Just a minute. That will make you more easy. So after this theory, there are some MCQ question in our study material which cover theory more strong, and the practical questions are starting here. Illustration number 1 has been given here. Question number 1, illustration number 1. All the questions have been sequenced here with numbering so that you can cover all the questions. But illustration number 1 is here, which you have already covered in the last class. And here illustration number 2 and so on. So now I'm going to discuss with you all from this PDF so that you may feel easy. Okay, beta. Now let's revise the concept covered till the last class, and the question practice will start here. Okay, beta. So what we did till the last class. But before moving further, show me your presence, everyone. I am waiting for your message. Show me your presence and activeness. Everyone, show me your energy. You are a younger child, youngest, young generation. Show me your youngness, everyone. Krishnan, Abdul, Pulkit, Danesh, Predna, Vedika, Alok, Arun, Mitesh Bhai, Shivangi, Jyoti, Sapna, and rest of the students. Yes, sir. Okay, present. Yes. Very good. Piyush is also there. Abhay is also there. Okay. Okay, let's start. Everyone, what covered till the last class? That beta, there are 3 units which we shall cover in this sequence of session. Number 1 is banking company. What I told you, beta, bank is receiving the money from some of the public person, and that money is being received at low cost. That is, interest is being paid to the depositors. And after that, the bank give money in the form of loans or advances to other members which needs loan. Okay, beta, and earn the interest. And now we are to read in this chapter in the books of bank how the balance sheet is prepared and how the P&L of bank is prepared. Beta, there is a format, but still I am using here just to show you that something like that. P&L is there, balance sheet there. There will be standard format. Don't worry. So in the books of bank, we need to understand the transaction. But before moving to further, we have to read some theory that banking, what is the difference between the banking companies and NBFC. Banking companies there, which is the in which form business is being done, banking business is being done by government sector, and in the form of companies, this is the same business is being done by private sector, that is called NBFC, and NBFC has to go registered under Companies Act 2013 because those are working in the form of companies, while in case of government sector, those are not to register with Companies Act 2013. Directly registration is there with RBI, and in both the cases, the license is required for working as a banking business. Okay, beta. What NBFC cannot do? NBFC cannot issue any negotiation instrument which are, or you can say, NBFC cannot receive money which cannot receive deposit which is payable on demand. And definitely we know we can go to bank and ask the money at any time, that is called payable on demand. Only bank, that is government sector, can do so because RBI has already reserved to issue the negotiation instrument which are payable on demand. You already learned in the foundation in the bills receivable chapter. Okay, beta, that is also part of, that is also type of negotiable instrument. Now here, beta, PDF is not there. Ajit sir has already uploaded, beta. Please check. Otherwise, you can download from the last batch PDF. The same PDF is there. Okay. Now, beta, for NBFC, you need at least 2 crore to work as a bank. Now, there are some examples. The government sector banks are of two types: commercial and non-profit making. Beta, before moving to any loan, before giving any loan to any person, bank always checks CIBIL. We have already understood this process. And if the person is having any default, then the past record is clearly shown on the PAN card. Beta, PAN card and Aadhaar card are unique document which shows all the past history. Based on that, bank decides to give loan. And here, after that, PDF in notes sections. Okay, Piyush is saying that PDF is in notes section. Please go to notes section, beta, Krishnan, and download from there. Okay, now come back to the class. Beta, the loan given is assets. Is bank having fixed assets? Yes. But the main thing we are discussing here, other than normal assets which every organization is having, here we are talking about the loans and advances given. But the types of advances, types of loans given are the type of called here type of assets, classification of assets for bank. Okay, beta, there may be two type of assets which are either performing or not performing. Okay, beta, those who are paying called performing, and those who are not paying, those are called non-performing. Now, I have already told you, beta, these are the type of questions. Okay, beta, income recognition type of questions which we have already covered in the last class. Still we have to cover NPA and PA. What about those? Beta, in case of performing assets, we recognize on accrual basis. How we record? Accrual basis. And in case of NPA, we record on cash basis. Okay. Private sector bank can be government bank. Beta, if someone business is going bigger and bigger, then government usually purchase that business. Okay, beta, or they can invest, they can control the business, because the main thing is should be the government who is governing the economy. If anything is bigger than its own, then it is normally acquired by government. Anyways, now coming to the point, beta, these are the type of question what we have already covered till the last class is number one type of question. Okay, now we shall be doing some more practice of type 1 question. After that, we shall be moving to next type, that is what? That is BR discounted and bills for collection. These two topics will be covered today along with practice. Only one thing you have to follow is the sequence I am giving you here. Okay, beta. So everyone, now see, Now see this PDF. Please see this PDF. You will find all the illustration and questions here. Someone was giving the feedback last time that sir has collected some easy question. No, beta, I never do this. I always move the plane from this to and that. First, we should learn easy, then to advance. Okay, beta. Now see. Illustration number 3, you have already done. Question number 3 is there. Okay, you have already covered. Now we move to question number 4. Question number 4, I don't think so. This has been okay. This was also covered. Now move to question number 5, please. Please solve question number 5 with me. Question number 5. Illustration number 7, you are asking. Wait a minute. I am opening the illustration number 7. Illustration number 7. Beta of, can you please give me, Danesh, can you please give me page number? Can you give me page number? I think this unit is there. Okay. Illustration number 7. Wait a minute. Illustration number 7, you are saying. Wait a minute. 4, 5. Wait, Danesh. Six. And then illustration number 7 is on which page? Okay, next unit is there. Illustration number 5. Okay, unit number 5. Beta 8.59. You are saying 8.59. Okay. I am opening 8.59, page number 8.59. This one. Okay, I am showing you the same question in combined PDF. Wait a minute. Okay, this is ECGC now. Wait, today we shall cover, don't worry. Up to the last class, I only discussed the concept. I couldn't practice with you all. Don't worry. After this question, we shall be doing the same question which you are asking, beta. Okay. 50 lakh is there, na? Yeah, 50 lakh is there. Beta, this is the same question in our combined PDF as a question number 9. Please open the PDF. We shall be doing here question number 9. This is the same question, beta. Okay. This is same question is here. Okay. So now I am now what I am doing, instead of opening different units, I am now focusing on this unit only. Okay, this combined PDF. Okay, beta. So we shall be discussing all the things from here where all the questions have been combined, and the sequence of your doubt is beta question number 9. We shall be doing. Don't worry. Okay, but before that, before moving further, I want to practice with you one more question of the concept which we have already covered in till the last class. Beta, question number 5 we have covered or not? Everyone tell me, is there any problem in question number 5? I am waiting, beta. Question number 5, is there any problem? If there is any doubt, then you can ask. Otherwise, I will move to further. This will be the process of our question practice in the class. If there is any doubt in this question, then tell me. Otherwise, clearly write here that no doubt is there, so that I can move further. All the questions have been combined. Beta, if there is any doubt, then write here. Otherwise, write like Danesh has written, no problem. Sivangi also written, no problem. Okay, beta. Now, please take along with this questions which I couldn't give you as a homework because the units were there, different pages were there to give you homework. Now, there will be easy to give you homework because all the related questions will be communicated simultaneously at the same moment. Please write here homework. related to this question. Question number 21 is there. Question number 21. Question in this PDF. Question number 22. Question number 23. Question number 24. And question number 25. Yes, beta. Similar question. Beta, all the modules questions have been merged together in a proper sequence so that you may feel easy, beta. Vedika. Similar question, all the questions are same. Don't worry. Along with some advanced question. So beta, related homework is there. Question number 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. That will make you more easy to revise in the exam. Just before the exam, you need not to turn the pages. You will solve question number 5 and the similar questions are in homework. Question number 21, 22, 23 and 24 and 25. Now moving to next topic, that is ECGC and cover. This was the question which we discussed in the last class. Can we do more question? Yes, sir. First we shall be doing 7th question. Then we shall be moving to the same question which he was asking. I must open my PDF. Wait a minute. Control C, Control V, Control Z. Wait a minute, beta. Yes. This is the slide. Now, beta, what I told you in the last class about ECGC cover, beta, ECGC cover is like insurance and that is the coverage by government. So there is no any doubt in this regard. If any bank is failed, then what the amount maximum can be covered, that is being told here. Okay, beta. So how we shall do? We shall do in this way. The outstanding balance is there in our question, and first we shall reduce the secured part, security given by the customer to bank, and after that we shall find what the amount can be in problem. This can be the problem for bank. For that, insurance cover is applicable. So we shall reduce first the security realizable value. After that, we shall apply the percentage of insurance coverage, and then we shall be able to find what is the amount which can be called as unsecured. And you already know, in the case of unsecured, we have to make the provision. This question was provided as homework of ECGC cover. Okay, beta Jasmine. Okay, question number 6 was there. See, question number 6 is there. See, 4 lakh. I have already given you on homework. 4 lakh is there. 4 lakh is what? 4 lakh is outstanding amount. 4 lakh is what, beta? Outstanding amount. 4 lakh is what, beta? Outstanding amount. Of that, from that we have reduced the security part, and after that we reach to the point which can be problem for the bank, and the percentage is there, that is 50%, and 50% is there, the percentage applicable on this. Yes, this one. So 50% is what? That is secured part. Okay, beta. Rest is unsecured part. So what the provision we have to prepare here? On the unsecured part, there is 100% provision, because that is already doubtful in this question. And secured part is also under 100%. Why? Because percentage is applicable to doubtful more than 3 years is 100. So this is the provision amount. Now coming to the next part of the question here. Yes. So doubt is there in question number 9. Someone was asking question number 9. This is what? This is question number 9. Yes. Now beta see. In case of question number 9, 50 lakh is there. 50 lakh is there. This is same. This is same which you have already covered here. 50 lakh is there, and 50% ECG covers is there. Okay, there is also security. Okay, this is what this is, risk weighted adjusted. Okay, this is the new topic which was not to be covered here. Still, since the question has come, so I am solving here, beta. Risk adjusted assets to be covered with capital adequacy ratio. This question belongs to that unit. Still, since it has come, I am telling you now, beta. We have to see what the assets may recover if there is any risk in this case. Okay, beta. So after adjusting the risk, we find what the amount to be covered realizable in the last from the security. This is called risk adjusted assets. Anyways, please leave this for the time. We shall cover this question with CAR, capital adequacy ratio. Don't worry. Now coming to next part, that is problem number 10. So this question belongs to new concept. And now I am moving to new concept. Beta, that is what? That is we are discounted. But before moving to new concept, I want to ask you whether you are able to understand what I am telling you, that risk adjusted assets question belongs to capital adequacy ratio. That questions will be covered along with the same unit. Please tell me till this everything is clear to you or not, beta. I want each and every step clear. So please tell me clearly. Everyone? Yes, sir. Okay, beta. Now, let's start. Beta, till the foundation, you have learned. So what we have learned? I am telling you. Beta, you have learned the chapter and that was named as bills of exchange. Yes, sir. We have learned bills of चला गया भाई ये रहा bills of exchange. क्या हो गया? Wait a minute. Till the foundation, you have learned a chapter that is bills of exchange. Please write down here bills of exchange. Bills of exchange. You know what you have learned in this chapter? Yes, sir. Sir, that was very typical chapter. No, beta. We were not attentive there. Sir, that was very enjoying chapter. Yes, beta. You were very much attentive there. What we have learned? First, we have to revise that so that we can get the proper connected things. Beta, we have learned there was a drawer. Yes, sir. There was a drawer. And there was a drawee also. Yes, sir. Drawer. Come on, sing a song. Drawer. There were books of drawer. Yes, sir. Books of drawer. Yes, sir. And there were also books of drawee. Yes, sir. There were books of drawee. Yes, sir. Beta, see. Who was drawer and who was drawee? We have learned. Mr. A is drawer, for example, and Mr. B is drawee. In the books of drawer, first Mr. A sold goods to Mr. B. So what we did? Mr. B, that is debtor. Yes, sir. Account debit. Yes, sir. To sale. Suppose 1 lakh rupees amount is there for which goods was sold. You can also write this example with me if you are easily able to understand along with writing. Okay, beta. Otherwise, leave writing and just understand the example. And here in the books of Mr. B, Drovey, there was corresponding entry, purchase account debit to Mr. A. Can you please tell this is okay to you or not? Mr. A is what? That is creditor for B, that is amounting to rupees 1 lakh. Very, very good. Very, very good. Very, very good. Now, Mr. A drew a bill on B. How he drew? He say, B, please sit here. I will put a bill on you and write here. No, Mr. A write a bills of exchange that I have sold goods to you and you are accepting that after this time you will pay my money. Okay, beta. Now, what they say? What they do? There is second entry where BR is received. First, Mr. B will give acceptance to Mr. A. So, Mr. A is debit to blood pressure, bills payable, that is amounting to rupees 1 lakh. So, BP was increased. BP बढ़ गया. Means bills payable was given to Mr. A. And what Mr. A did? That was named in his books as BR. Very, very good. Answer is going to send by students. Students are answering very, very efficiently. Very good, Abdul and rest of the student. So, BR account debit to Mr. B. Debtor. So, we reduce here debtors and increase the BR account, bills receivable account, 1 lakh. This is the chapter of foundation. Yeah, basics are strong. Very, very good. Now, there are 3 cases. Either go to bank and discount the bill by Mr. A. Either Mr. A go to bank and discount the bills. Yes. And get the money after reducing the interest. Yes. There was second case, held till maturity. There was third case, endorsed to creditors. Okay. Now, out of these 3 cases, I am writing here while BR discounted, while BR was discounted with bank. BR discounted case. Can you please tell me what was the entry in the books of Mr. A? Everyone, tell me what the entry is done. What the entry was done by you in foundation in the books of Mr. A. I am waiting. Suppose discount is there. Suppose discount percentage is there. Discount percentage is there at the rate of 12% per annum. And bill was of 3 months duration. 3 months duration was there. And BR writing date was, suppose it was February 1st Feb 2023. I am waiting. Very, very good answer. Very, very good answer. All the students are answering perfectly. Very, very good. Can you please tell? Okay, I am writing here the same entry which you are telling me. Tell me first the due date at which you pass this entry. Whatever you are sending here. I am writing here entry. Bank account debit. Bank account debit. Discount account debit. Discount account debit. Come on, sing a song. Bank account debit. Discount account debit to bills receivable. Very, very good. All the students are answering perfectly. Very, very good. Beta, this is called the spread. Okay, I am waiting for the due date. At which date you are to pass this entry? Sir, please add 3 months. Okay. In that case, we go with the same date month by month, starting from the 1st Feb, 1st March, 1st April, 1st May plus 3 grace days. It means 4th April is there, at which date we have to pass this entry. Sorry, not at this date. This is to be done on the 1st Feb 2023. Now, this is the maturity date, 4th April, at which something will happen. 1st April 2023. So what the entry was there? This one. This is the amount which have been discounted. How the discount has been calculated here? 1 lakh multiplied by 12% multiplied by 3 months duration is there. 3 divided by 12. It means 3000 is there. 3000 is there, which can be called as discount, and rest amount was credited into the bank account of customer. So 1 lakh bill was credited and bank was credited by bank in this 4th May check. 1st March, 1st April, 1st May. Yes, you are right. You are correct. 1st May. Yes. 4th May. 4th May is the due date. Now I am asking you, beta. I am asking you one thing, beta. This was the entry which have been done by you on 4th May. What happened? There may be any of case, either honored or dishonored. Okay. Suppose everything is good and the bill has been honored by Mr. B. So what the entry we shall do as a drawer? Sir, nothing to do. Very good, Danesh. Perfect answer. If honored, BR honored by Mr. B. By Mr. B, then there will be no any entry in the books of Mr. A. No entry. No entry. वाला no entry नहीं है ये वाला no entry है. This is not the same no entry which you found in the song. This is different no entry. Now let us see. Who will enter? Sir, in the books of Mr. B. On 4th May, Mr. B paid. Yes. And entry was done. Blood pressure bills payable account debit to bank or cash. Okay. And what he paid, total 1 lakh. This was the point which you have already learned. Here, up to the foundation level, you have never learned what happened in the books of bank. What happens corresponding as a journal entry in the books of bank. Now, put your pen and think you are bank. We are bank. Now, we are to learn here in the books of bank. Beta, these are special type of transaction. And these are really very, very important for exam. Usually question comes from this topic also. Okay. So please put your pen and clearly answer me when I ask. Beta, BR discount is expense for Mr. A. Yes, sir. But BR discount is income for whom? This is income for whom? Can you please tell? This is income for whom? This is income for bank. Bank given the name here discount, but the real name is that interest for the bank. Yes, beta, still bank will give name discount, but that is the inner side your mind that is the correct name should be interest. Now in the books of bank on 1st Feb we shall do entry. Yes, sir. *1. In the books of bank on 4th May, we shall do entry. Yes, *2. So I am writing here, beta, now in the books of bank. When I say *1, that is in the books of bank on 1st Feb. So here we are starting what happens in the books of bank. What happens in the books of bank. In the books of bank. I hope everyone is noting this example with me. In the books of bank. Star one means on which date beta? On 1st Feb. On 1st Feb 2023 at the time of discounting the bill. At that time, bank has received the bill. At that time, bank has received the bill, or I can say bank has purchased the bill. I can say bank has purchased the bill. So how the bank will enter in its book? Bank will write bills discounted and purchase account. Bills discounted and purchase account. Bank has discounted the bill and purchased the bill by discounting. Account debit. How much is the amount for bill? Beta, think you are a bank. You are a bank and you have bought a bill for earning. Okay, beta. What you have credited into the customer's account? Beta, client account, customer account. Customer's account, bank is doing in this way. Customer's account. Customer's account means in this example, in the account of Mr. A, bank has credited 97,000 and beta, bank has recorded its income as discount income. Discount income. How much amount is there? That is, of course, 3,000. So 3,000 is there, which can be called as bank has earned income. But is this the earning? We shall discuss later. Now, there will be another entry on star 2. Star 2. On which date, beta? On which date? Okay. I am giving here some space, beta. I am giving here space of 2 entries, and now after that I am writing here, after leaving some space, star 2. On 4th May 2023, the amount was recovered from the purchased bill. Now, what the amount will be recovered? Of course, full 1 lakh. Bank will enter in its own bank, either bank or cash account, whatever you can write here. But for better understanding, at CA inter level, you have to always use the word bank. So in the books of bank, bank is collecting the amount and giving its bill back to bills purchased and discounted account. In this way, bank has collected interest income in the name of with the name of discount. Tell me everyone, till this okay or not? I am waiting for an answer, beta. Till this okay or not? I am waiting for your message, beta. Till this okay or not? I am teaching here you in the very layman language, and the topic is also very, very easy. But usually students get puzzled in this topic because they do not connect with the same chapter which they have already knowledge of the chapter. Beta, you have done in the books of bank 2 entries. One is at the date of purchase and another is at the date of collection. Okay, till this clear? Prerna, okay. Vedika, okay. Sapna, clear. Piyush, okay. And where are rest of the students? Definitely they are enjoying something else, not the class. Huh? That is very, very bad. I have not taken yet paratha just because of you, and you are enjoying the paratha. You are not answering here. Rest of the students. Now, beta, think. One more thing is also there. Danesh, in bank's book, how we can write bank account? Beta, because in the books, so, do you know, bank is also maintaining its bank account with Reserve Bank of India, with another bank. Yes, in the books of bank account balances are there because bank does not keep the excess money up to a only up to a limit. Bank can keep cash. After that, rest of the amount is deposited with RBI. And you know, RBI is not everywhere. RBI open its collection center at different place. What RBI do? RBI choose a center that is called currency chest. Since I am also auditor of bank, so I know what the things they do. We have to report on that also. Okay, beta. So I am telling you how RBI do. RBI takes excess collection, excess cash, and that cash is deposited in the collection center of RBI. Okay, beta. Yes. Now till this clear, sir. In the books of bank account appears. Yes, beta. Definitely appears. Okay. Now I am moving to next topic, beta. You know, the year was started, the entry was started. See what I am telling you. The entry was started from which date? See, the year is being closed. This is what? This is the 31st March 2023. You know, in this question, what happened? The transaction of bill discounted was started on 1st Feb. Okay. And the maturity date is there in the next year. That is 4th May 2023. Can you feel the problem? What the problem will arise here? What the problem is arise here? You know, bank is getting the income of 3,000. 3,000 income is there for bank, but that income does not belong only to 22-23 financial year, beta. Another year is also there, 23-24. You know, this was 3 months bill. Yes, this bill belongs to 3 years. Yes, sir. Then how income can belong to single year? It means some of the income belongs to next year, which need not to categorize as an income of this year. Very good, Jyoti. Shabash, beta. Very, very good. Income in advance. So can you tell these are 1 month, these are 1 month, these are 1 month. It means total 2 months income is there, which can be called income in advance. Yes, beta Jyoti. Another name is also there, which you have already learned. Can you please tell at this date, on which date the balance sheet will be prepared by bank? The income statement will be prepared by bank. How he can record 3 months income while only one month income belongs to this year? Yes, sir. He has to reduce the closing unaccrued income. We have already learned, sir. Unaccrued income is there. Yes, beta ji, that is the thing which I am telling you. That is 2,000, because 2,000 income does not belongs to this. So how 2,000 has been calculated? Can you please tell how 2,000 income I have calculated here? Everyone, I am waiting for a full involvement. These are the very complicated question if we do not pay proper attention. I am waiting, beta. Can you please tell how this 2,000 income you have calculated? Otherwise, write here that I don't know, sir. Please tell. Sir, 2 month income earned 1 month income in advance? No, beta Piyush. 2 month income is advance and 1 month income earned, because 1 month belongs to this financial year and 2 months belongs to next financial year. How 2 month income advance? It is only 1 month case. Very good, beta Abdul, you are right. March belongs to year 22-23. Very good. That's the thing I want. Now, if I ask you in exam, beta, how you have calculated rebate on bill discounted? So rebate on bill discounted? Yes, beta. In this chapter, the different name has been given for unaccrued income. For unaccrued income. For unaccrued income, the new name has been given in this chapter, that is called, another name of unaccrued income here is being given, rebate on bills discounted. This is the name given in this chapter. So students get confused. I don't think so you will get confused. It is very easy. You already know the concept of unaccrued income, that is called income in advance. The name is there, which we need to change only in this for this chapter. So if I ask you, beta, how you calculate rebate on bill discounted, can you tell? Yes, sir, it is very easy. So how you have calculated here? Sir, 3,000 income is there for 3 months. For 3 months. And the unexpired discount, I am telling you another name of this. Unexpired discount, another name I am telling you here. Oh my God, it is very easy. So what the unexpired period is there, which can be tell? I am highlighting here. This is the unexpired period. 2 months, which has not been expired in the current year. It means it is very easy. 2 months we have to calculate. That is called unexpired period discount. Okay, beta. So amount is how much? That is, of course, 2,000. So how this 2,000 has been calculated in this way. Beta, these types of question are usually comes in exam. Sir, how can you say? Beta, you can see I have combined the PDF. At the end of PDF, you can see the past examination questions are also there. Can I show? Yes, sir. Okay, you please take the view yourself. I'm utilizing your time effectively. So 2,000 is there, which is very easy. Can we discuss another question? Yes, sir. Now please tell us another point. Beta, so I am discussing with you all another question, and that is question number 13. Please come to question number 13 in this PDF. Please come to question number 13 in this PDF. And before going to question number 13, please write down question number 12 as homework. I will discuss with you all the questions which can create you problem in homework. Question number 13 is there. And I have intentionally done wrong solution for this so that you may not cheat me. So question number 13 is there. I am gonna start. Beta, unexpired period is 1 month. So we know, beta, unexpired period is 2 months, beta. See, unexpired. The expired period is this one. Oh, I think there is mistake. Yes, you are right. February, March. Yes, unexpired period is 1 month, beta. Sorry, you are right. Unexpired period is 1 month. Yes, you are right. It is my clerical mistake. Wait a minute. This is the difference in face-to-face and online class. 1 month is their unexpired period because March is here. Yes, you are right, beta. This is my mistake. Note of yours. This is my mistake. Since 31st March is there of year ending. Yes, I accept it. Mathematical mistake I have done here. March. Okay. I got it. So only 1 month is there which belongs to next financial year. Okay, Babu. Prerna has done. Okay. Piyush also. Okay, okay. Yes, you are right. 1, 1, and this is also 1. So beta 31st March, since 31st March 2000, 31st March 2023. Yes. Oh. So this is what? This is only 1000. Yes, this is only 1000. I accept this mathematical mistake. Beta 1000 is there, which can be called as unexpired, because unexpired duration is there. Unexpired duration is there for 1 month. Yes, beta, you are right. Okay. Now please tell, I have corrected this mistake, mathematical mistake. Please tell me, is this okay? Okay now? Please tell me fast, everyone, so that I can start question. Is this okay? Okay now? Okay. Now question is this one. Question number 13 is there. अच्छा, आपका नाम प्रणव है. Okay, Pranav. By mistake, I am saying yes here. Okay. Anyways, now beta, please see. Calculate rebate on bill discounted as on 31st December. Remember, here is year which is not ending on 31st March. Here is year which is ending on 31st December. Okay. From the following data, show the journal entries also. Show the journal entries also. Beta, you know, in case of bank, only Mr. A is not there. Many Mr. A are there. How bank will record how bank will calculate the rebate on bill discounted on each bill? Beta, see, this is the way. Being a bank, how you will calculate? Beta, you will see that there are date of bills. Remember, this is the date of bills. The duration is there also there. And bill amount is there and rate of discounting is there. See, now question is asking us how the rebate on bill discounted you will calculate. Beta, see, you have to prepare a table in this way. In this way. Please prepare table with me. Okay. I am giving you answer here with complete presentation, and please correct me if there is any mathematical mistake. Okay, beta. There are 4 bills. There are 4 bills. Okay. First, we shall writing here answer. This is what? This is answer number 13. Answer number 13. Please prepare a statement showing calculation of closing rebate on bills discounted. First, I am writing here serial number. Then I am writing here amount of bill. Amount of bill. And now writing here duration of bill, and duration here is in months, so I am writing here months duration. If in the question duration has been given in the days, then you can write there days, and after that definitely you will need the due date. Please note it down here. Although I am writing here due date, but it is just maturity date after adding 3 grace day. Okay, beta? I don't think so. Students are properly attending the class. I think so that students are enjoying something else. Please show me your energy and presence, beta. Activeness. Show me your activeness. I am waiting, beta. I am waiting for your answer. I am waiting for your message. Show me your activeness. Sapna, Vedika, Shivangi, Abdul, Danesh, Pranav, Pulkit, Vedika, Piyush, Chetan Sharma, and rest of the students. Please show me your activeness. Jasmine, Abhay, Piyush, Jyoti, and rest of the students. Hello, sir. Okay, present. Yes. Only 3 students are present. Oh no. Oh, it is very hurting. Where are rest of the students? We are not enjoying the breakfast and they are enjoying. Oh. So serial number is 1 and serial number is 2. This is really bad. Serial number is 3. Okay. We are with you, not enjoying anything else. Okay, Vedika. Krishnan, yes, sir. Alok, 0. What do you mean by 0? Shaitan. Oh. 4th. Please try to solve question before me. Please, question must be solved by you, not by me. I am writing here and please try to solve question at your part. Chetan, present, sir. Okay, beta. So this is what? This is bill 25,000. What is the amount of another bill? That is 15,000. Then 20,000. Okay. And then 30,000. YouTube student can also show their presence by giving their likes, shares, and comments, etc. Okay, month's duration is there. Beta, how much is month's duration there in this question? You know, here is 5 months and here is 4 months and here is also 4 months and then 3 months. Can anyone tell what is the due date for this bill number 1? Can anyone tell what is the due date for this bill number 1? Sorry. Before writing due date, we must write here bill date also. That will also be more effective. So here is bill date. I am writing here bill date and then due date. That is maturity date. Okay, beta. I am writing here bill date also. So that those students which are watching at YouTube, they can also enjoy the lecture. Beta, this is what? This is 15th October. Okay. 15th October 2022. I am right. 21. Okay. Then 10th November 2021. Then 25th November 2021. 20th December 2021. Now, I want due date, that is maturity date of each and every bill. Who will tell? For first, Jyoti Jha said 18th Feb. Alok is also saying 18th Feb. Chetan is saying 18th March. Danesh is saying 18th March. And rest of the students are not saying anything. It means they are enjoying something else. Beta, see. We have to calculate. Okay, I am also showing here the calculation. 15th October. I think it is 15th October, na? Yes, it is 15th October. Then 15th October. And after that, what is this? 5 months are there. You know, in case of October, how many days are there which have been left here? Everyone. 18th March 18th March, okay. मैंने भी बोला March, okay, Alok, okay, okay, yes, perfect. So I am writing here directly, yes, okay, you all will understand. So this is the date, 18th March 2022. Very, very good. Now tell me next due date. Who will tell me first? Who will tell me first? Second due date, beta, I am waiting. Another is saying that is 13th Feb. Beta, I am waiting. What is the due date for this? And G, none of the student has answered properly. See, 4 month is there. 10th November, 10th December, 10th Jan, 10th Feb. Oh, sorry, 10th December, 10th Jan, 10th Feb, 10th March. Plus 3 grace days. Okay, 13th March 2022. Yes, including 3 grace days always. Even if it is saying due date, but still we are counting here as per study material after including the grace days. Okay, beta. Very, very good, Pulkit. Very, very good, Vedika. Very, very good, Sapna, Krishnan, and Pranav, Piyush, Alok, Danesh, Jaykumar, Pulkit, and everyone rest of the students which are answering 13 month. Perfect, beta. Now tell me next due date. What is the due date for the third bill? Okay. Shivangi and Pranav and one more student have given all the answer. Vedika also. Okay. Yes. Now, 25th November. Now there are 4 months. 25th December, 25th Jan, 25th Feb, 25th March plus 3 grace days. 28th March 2022. Now another date is also there, that is 23 March 2022. January, February, March, and 3 grace days. Yes. Now beta see. What are the days which can be called unexpired as on 31st December? Can you please tell? Unexpired period. Unexpired duration. Unexpired duration on 31st December 2021. Beta, what is the unexpired duration? I am waiting. I am waiting, beta. Who will tell me days? Please tell me this in days. What is the unexpired days on 31st December 2021? After 31st December to maturity date. Yes, beta Danesh. Very good, Jyoti. Very, very good. Everyone is doing great. And you are understanding so easily. I am really surprised. This is the first batch in which I am getting so much of answers. Really very energetic batch is there. Although some of the students are still not answering. Very, very good. Alok, very, very good. Abdul, Shabash beta. Yes. From 31st December, you will count the days. Should I count? Yes. January 31, February 28. Since it is not the leap year, so 28 is there. And 18th March is also there. Yes, 18. How many days are there? 71 days, which can be called unexpired days. Very, very good. Now, waiting for the answer of the next bill. Please write here. Very, very good. Very, very good. Most of the student has answered perfectly. Very, very good. So, but I am writing here. After that, January, February, the days after 31st December, we have to count till the maturity date, plus March 13. So these are 3 or 11, 72 days. Very, very easy. Very, very easy. Very, very easy. Very, very easy. Only you have made this easy, beta. Usually in the regular classes, these takes 2 lectures, but you have done a wonder. Very, very good. Now, what are the days for this? Of course, January, February, and then March 28. How many days are there? 8 or 8, 16, etc. 87 days are there. Very, very easy. Now for this, January, February, and then March. And these are 82 days. 2, 3 और 8, 11 और 1, 12. 82 days. Very, very easy. Very, very good. There is a big clap for all of you. Perfectly you are answering. Now, can you please tell what is the amount of closing rebate? So we will tell, who will tell? Rebate on bill discounted, rebate on bill discounted on 31st December 2021. Rebates on bill discounted on 31st December 2021. Beta, first bill. What is the amount for first bill? Who will tell me? Please answer fast. What is the amount of first bill, which can be called as unexpired discount, or you can say rebate on bill discounted? Who will tell me? Total rebate. Dinesh has given total answer. But I am asking one by one. Very, very good. Very, very good. Jasmine. And where are rest of the students? Beta, see how you will calculate. 25,000 is there. That is the bill amount on which you have to apply the percentage of first bill, that is 8% as per this question. See, this is what? This is 8%. Yes. Now, multiplied by the unexpired days 77 and the year belongs to 365. Note the leap year. Okay, beta. So that comes here 422. 21 point something. Yes, that is called rounded. Yes, you can round to 1 rupees. Okay, beta. Vedika, Jyoti, beta, Alok, beta, Jasmine, and rest of the students, you can round it to ₹1. Yes. Now, what is this? Now I'm doing fast. 15,000 multiplied by, what is the percentage of this? That is 7%, multiplied by 72 divided by 365. Then 20,000 multiplied by, what is the percentage? That is 7% again. $87 divided by 365. 30,000 multiplied by 7% multiplied by 82 divided by 365. And that is the amount. Beta, please tell me. 207,334. Very good, Piyush, beta. 207,334 and then 607. Perfect. So you have calculated the closing unaccrued income, which is named here rebate on bill discounted closing. Can you please tell what the entry you have done? You have learned up to the foundation for unaccrued income. Yes, sir, we can tell. What is the entry you have learned? Sir, we have learned the unaccrued income entry. I am waiting, beta. Last one, 472. Where is that? Beta, I am waiting. 334. After that, 334, then 471. Okay, let's calculate. I believe on your calculation. 30,000 bill is there. 9%. That is 9%. Sorry. That is 9%. That is 9%. Question is there, that is 9%. Okay. So multiplied by 9%, multiplied by 82, divided by 365, that is 607. That is the reason student was saying 7 और 4 11 7 18 और 2 20. That is 1570. Okay. Very good. Students are having already the basic knowledge. Very good. Income to received in advance. Yes. Very good, beta. What we learned up to foundation, that is income account debit to unaccrued income and rest income which has been accrued, that is transferred to P&L. Very easy. Very easy. See, now I am discussing with you all the complete entry. In this case, I am writing here the complete entry, beta. Can you please tell what is the total bill amount? Yes, sir, we can tell 25,000 multiplied by, plus 15,000 plus 20,000 plus 30,000. That is 90,000. And can you please tell what is the discount amount, total discount amount on each and every bill? Just for understanding. So very easy. Then tell, sir, very easy. How you will say, sir, there are 5 months. Yes. So on the first bill, if I want to know what the amount of discount was there, can I know? Yes. And what the net amount has been credited to customer's account? Yes, easily we can know. Although study material has not covered this thing, but still I want to cover this thing in class. Okay, beta, please. In this way, you will get complete understanding how the bank is recording the all these bills. Beta, discount is there. Total discount. I am asking you total discount. Total. Please see. 25,000 rupees is there, multiplied by what is the percentage? That is 8%. You know, in case of first bill. And please note it down with me. Multiplied by what is the duration of this bill? Sir, that is 5 months. Okay. 5 divided by 12. Next one is there. Second. And then third. And then fourth. 15,000 is there, multiplied by what is the percentage of next bill? That is 7%. Yes, sir. And what is the duration? 4 divided by 12. Now what? For next 20,000. If you will solve this question, you will get the complete understanding, even though the question solved in the study material is not giving the complete understanding, but this is also on study material we have. So please take this in your control properly. 20,000 multiplied by 7% multiplied by another. That is also having the format duration. Yes, sir. 4 divided by 12. Then last 30,000 multiplied by 9% multiplied by 3 divided by 12. 3 divided by 12. Very good. So I am waiting for your answer, beta. Please give me one by one discount amount, total discount amount. Total discount amount. I am waiting. In the case of first, 25,000 multiplied by 8% multiplied by 5 divided by 12. Oh. That is 833. I am rounding to ₹1. Perfect answer, beta Vedika. Okay. 15,000. I am checking. Since I am also calculating this first time because I want to give you complete understanding of the chapter. 350. Yes, perfect. I have to check answer. 20,000 multiplied by 7% multiplied by 4 divided by 3. 12. That is 467. Next, 30,000 multiplied by 9% multiplied by 3 divided by 12. 675, and total is there 833 plus 350 plus 467 plus 675, that is 2325. 2325. Very good, Pranav. So beta, see what the net amount bank has given in the customer account after discounting the bill. You know, first 25,000, yes. So after reducing the discount amount, bank has credited to customer. What the amount is there? 25,000 minus 833. 24,167. Now next 15,000 minus 350. 14,650. 20,000 minus 467. That is 19,533. Next, 30,000 minus 675. That is 29,325. Very, very good. Very, very good. But what is the total of this amount? 29,325. 19,533 plus 14,650 plus 24,167. That is 8,7,675. And what is the total of these bills? 90,000. Can you please understand? During the year, bank has discounted the bills of rupees 90,000, for which bank charge interest in the form of discount from the customer, rupees 2325, and bank has credited to customer's account rupees 8765 net of discount. Beta, what bank has done entry? I am writing here. All during the sir break de do bas beta, abhi de raha hu beta, 5 minutes only, because otherwise there will be breakage of link. Beta, see what the customer, what the bank has done. Bank has done in this way. Bills purchased and bills discounted and purchase account debit. Purchased and discounted account debit. How much? 90,000 rupees. That is 90,000 rupees. What the amount bank is charging as a discount? To discount income. To discount income. That is rupees how much? 2,325. And what is the net amount bank has credited to customer account? You know, in case of bank, there is a credit corresponding debit in the books of customer. Yes, we have already learned, sir, in the chapter of bank reconciliation. Okay, beta. Customer's account, not only A, many customers are also there. Customer's account, bank has credited 87675. And after that, while year end comes, bank want to transfer on 31st December this income to P&L, then bank says, oh. Then bank say, oh. Bank sing a song, oh. And ask you, hey, chartered accountants, please tell me what is the income I must transfer to P&L. Bank is asking you. So tell to bank, explain to bank what the income you will suggest to bank that must be transferred to P&L. For that, you have to know first the unexpired discount, the unexpired, or you can say unaccrued. Unaccrued income is being given here name rebate on bills discounted. Another name of unaccrued income. Yes, that is how much, sir, we have calculated. and rest bank has to credit to P&L. And you already know 1570 is unexpired income, unexpired discount. That is the unaccrued income. 1570 is the unaccrued income. 1570. And rest, what is the next? 22325 minus 1570. 755 is the income earned that must be transferred to P&L. Very, very easy. Sir, please give us a break. Yes, beta. But before going to break, can you please tell only just one entry? Yes, sir, we can tell. You are our teacher and we shall tell. On 1st Jan 2021, you know, this unaccrued income entry reversed, and the entry is there, rebate on bill discounted on the opening date. Rebate on bill discounted. You know, opening entry of unaccrued income, debit on 1st Jan in the next year to discount income, because unexpired of this year expired in the next year. You already know each and everything because you have learned everything in the foundation. So I am giving you here a break of 10 minutes. Okay. Sir, for me, please give feedback. Whatever feedback you are having for the class, please give it to ICI. Okay, बच्चों? I am waiting for your feedback. Sir, break लगा दीजिए. Yes. Hello, students. Show me your presence fast. We are back. Alok is back. जैस्मिन तीनों एंट्री करके नहीं बतानी है, जो पूछे वो बताना है. ये तो मैंने आपकी पूरी कंट्रोलिंग के लिए बताया बेटा. ठीक है बेटा जैस्मिन. All those students which have done questions and having any doubt up to this, then please give your feedback to ICA so that I can get the feedback and work accordingly. Yes. Pranav, Danesh, Abdul, Alok are back. Where are rest of students? Okay. So we have covered till this. We have covered type 1 question. We have covered type 2 question, in which we have covered discount earned, interest and rebate on bill discounted, and last one is there, bills for collection, acceptance and endorsement. But before moving to further, I want to give you homework. Sir, you will give us homework? Yes, beta. That is very, very easy. Please write down here homework belonging to such questions. Those are, please write down here homework related to such question. Question number 11, comma, question number 12, question number 27. Okay. Okay. Now moving to the next part of the session, that is type 3 question, bills for collection, acceptance and endorsement. But these are also part of bills. These are also part of bills, and for this you must know the basic of bills of exchange. You already know. We have already discussed in today's class also. Now, beta, you have learned that there is another situation where bills were held till maturity. Okay, bills were held till maturity means, sir, see what we covered up to this. Wait a minute. What we covered up to this, we covered this, that drawer, what drawer do? Drawer discount the bills, and after that get the money after reducing the interest. Suppose in this example 1 lakh bill was there, bills receivable was of 1 lakh rupees, and that was discounted with bank with the discount amount of rupees 4,000, and the 96,000 was the amount which had been credited to customer account. There may be another case. This was the case of bill discounted. There may be another case that bill was not to be discounted. There may be another case that bill was not to be discounted. Rather, bill is kept by the customer with itself. So the discounting entry is not passed, and on the maturity date, drawer go to drawee and give the same and return the same bills receivable to drawee, rupees 1 lakh, and receive the amount in the form of cash. So in that case also, we record the entry either by cash account debiting the cash account in the books of drawer, or bank account is also being debited. Okay. Now we have to understand the situation. This is called held till maturity. Held till maturity. The bill was held by drawer up to maturity date, and that was collected by him on the maturity date. Can I expect the situation is clear to you, all of you? Beta, I am waiting for your answer. I am waiting for your answer, beta. Please tell me, I am waiting for your answer. The situation is clear to you all or not? Tell me, everyone. I am waiting for your answer, beta. Is this the situation which is clear to you, all of you, or not? Clear? Yes, bank account debit to BR. Yes. Now see, beta. There may be case that customer Mr. Drover, this is what? This is Drover, and this is what? This is Drovey. Drovey here is named as Mr. B, and Drover here is named as Mr. A in this example. Now Drover is saying that I have received a bills of exchange, that is bills receivable. Of course, the goods has been sold or something else has been there, due to which the transaction was generated for bills receivable. So I am focusing on to the main transaction. Now, till the date of maturity, it may happen that such instrument could lose, maybe loss. There may be a destroyment of this instrument. There may be other case, we could forget on the due date to recover the amount. So for this also, what we do normally, Mr. A do this thing. This bill is handed over, not discounting, handed over to bank. Remember, this is not the case of discounting. Bills of receivable is also still transferring to bank. But this is not the case of BR discounting. Handed over to bank for collection. For collection. Rupees 1 lakh. This BR is being handed over to bank for collection. Now the question is, what the entry will be done in the books of bank. Now I am focusing on the bank directly instead of discussing anything else. So in the books of bank, now this is the books of bank. As like bank is giving another service to pay your dividend, to collect your dividend timely on the shares. Definitely you have to hand over the shares to bank, or you have to give something right to bank so that bank can collect your dividend timely, your rent timely, etc., etc. The standing instructions are there. Beta, bank is giving this service. Of course, for that bank will charge, like in current account, bank always charge. Bank doesn't allow interest. Bank always charge interest on current account because there are service provided by bank. In the same way, this is also a service provided by bank. So how bank will record this bills of exchange in its books? Beta, this is neither the assets nor liability for bank. Then how bank will record? As you know, in case of debenture suspense in foundation, you have learned there may be two cases. The same thing was happening there. In case of debenture suspense, I hope your basic is clear for this also. There was another method, either don't record, or second method was their memorandum, that there must be recording the both the side assets and liability. In the same way, here is the accounting method. Yes, beta, standing orders. Very good, beta. Alok. So, beta, there may be case, either this or second case. So we have to follow the second case, because in exam we will get number if we will follow the correct thing, and that is how to record in the books of bank. Beta, both side we have to record. How we shall record? There will be a balance sheet. There will be balance sheet of bank, although that belongs to the balance sheet belongs to bank, is prepared in horizontal format, but just for understanding, I am preparing this balance sheet in this way. So for bank, both of the things are there. One is assets and corresponding liability, because if something will be recorded, then that will be recorded in the debit and credit side, both of the sides. So beta, in this case, bills of exchange is recorded in this way. But this is not the bills of exchange. This is the bills handed over for collection. So the name is being given here, bills for collection. Bills for collection. Bills for collection. So you already know, if this is the way to record, then what the entry will be there. Of course, how the journal entry will be done in the books of bank. The bank will record in this way. Yes, beta, Alok, you are right. Beta, in that case, that will be 0. Danesh, okay. So how this will be recorded in this way? Bills of collection, bills for collection, assets account debit to bills for collection liability account. As per this example, I am taking the figure that is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh will be recorded in both of the side in this way. But remember, I am not giving you format yet now. I am just giving you the basic understanding how these are to be recorded. One is asset side, another is liability side. And when the collection is done, then these entries are reversed. These entries are reversed. So first entry, this one, when the bill was handed over, and at the date the bank has collected on behalf of its customer, then these entries are reversed. Neither the assets is there nor the liability is there. So these entries are reversed. Bills for collection Yes, beta Pranav, very good. Bills for collection liabilities account debit to bills for collection assets. That is 1 lakh. That is 1 lakh. That is 1 lakh. Okay, beta. Please see this. These are the questions which you need to do. I am showing you here. Whatever the causes may be there, whether it has been collected, whether it has been honored or dishonored, whatever the things may be there, the entries will be same. Okay, beta. See, please read this question properly. Question number 15 is this one. Okay, before that, you must read this question. Question number 14. First read this question number 14. I don't think so. This deserves to be practiced here. Question number 14. On 1st April 2021, bills for collection was rupees 1 lakh. Wait a minute. It means opening balances in the books of banks have been given. Yes. So there are two types of accounts. Bills for collection assets account. Opening balance is there. And bills for collection liabilities account. Of course, opening balance is there in the credit side. In case of assets, debit balance is there. In case of assets, liability, credit balance is there. Now tell me, you can say in Hindi, सब मोह माया है. बैंक के लिए क्या रखा है? कुछ नहीं. बैंक का अपना पैसा थोड़ा ना है. There is no money for bank. Bank is just the mediator. either received or dishonored, honored or dishonored, whatever the case may be there, bank will record only the list, whatever has been handed over. And after that, bank will remove from the list which have been returned back. Whether returning is due to collection, means honored or dishonored, bank will remove the name from the list. It means bank will pass each and every time same entry. Sir, easy hai ye to? Yes, beta. Everything is easy if you are practicing. Okay, beta. See, during the year, bills received for collection. Now tell me, what entry you will done? Bills for collection assets account debit to bills for collection liability. Whatever the amount is there. So here is 64.5 lakhs. So we shall record in this way in both of the side. Bills for collection account assets account debit to bills for collection liability. Same is the case. Okay, beta. Now already there were 7 lakh. Now new 64.5 lakh is also there. Now tell me how many bills were collected, whether dishonored. We are just mediator, we are bank. We shall remove them from the list. There is no question for tension for us. Whatever we have handled, either that will be collected. If that will be collected, that will be deposited to the customer account. If that has not been collected, we shall return to customer. All over that thing is that we shall remove from our list. Who we are? We are bank. Beta, that will be different, beta, Piyush. Okay, beta, that will be debited to customer income. Okay, that's totally different. Now we are to cancel both of the things. The 47 plus 55 lakh, both of the things are being removed from the list. So we shall reverse the entry. Bills for collection. So we received 64.5. And what we are cancelling here, bills for collection as an assets is being credited. And liability is being debited. How much? That is 47 plus 5.5. What is the amount? 47.5 plus 5.5. That is 53. So beta, 53 rupees or 53 lakh rupees bills are being removed from the list. So what the entry will be done by bank? Of course, the same. Whatever the amount is there, those are being removed from the list. You need no to take any tension. Okay, so you have done here in this way. And what is the remaining amount, beta? Tell me, what is the remaining? Of course, the remaining amount is this one. The remaining amount is this one. So bank will show on the both of the side. Okay, so we want more question. We want more question. Okay, then take homework. Then take homework. But before going to homework, please read this with me. From the following, prepare acceptance, endorsement, and other obligation account. Acceptance, endorsement, and any other ledger account. But this is different topic. First, we must concentrate on the topic, same topic, which is in homework. Now I am giving you question. See, question number 16. Question number 16. But the income earned will be recorded separately. Okay, Danesh. You know, in case of current account also, what you do, the transaction happens, and after that, at the year end, we debit the charge. You know, quarterly charges are debited if you are not maintaining the minimum balance or something like that. In the same way, the charges are debited by bank into the customer account. The things happen another time in the separate account, that is debiting the customer current account. Okay, beta, this is the just like a memorandum type account. Okay, this is just to record what the entries, what the records we are maintaining here on behalf of customer. Okay, beta. Okay, Danish. Yes. Now come and see this question. The following facts have been taken out from the record of Adarsh Bank. Wow. What is the What is good name? This is really a good name. Adarsh Bank. Can you please tell this is the government sector bank or private sector bank? Of course, sir. Since it is written here bank, so we are taking as a bank. Otherwise, there may be some NBFC. Okay, limited or private limited, what may be there. Okay. In respect of year ending March 31st, 2022. So point number A is there. That is on 1st April 2021. Remember, March 2022 is ending year. It means this is giving the opening balance of the year. This is being given here opening balance of the year. Okay, beta. Now see, this is the opening balance. What they want from us? What they want from us? I am reading here last line. It is a certain that prepare the lasers account. Okay, relevant laser we have to prepare. Yes. On 1st April, bills for collection were rupees 7 lakh. On 1st April, can you please tell how you will record? If question is saying in exam that prepare the ledger in the books of bank, how you will record? Of course, sir, bills for collection account assets balance is there. That is the debit, and corresponding liability bills for collection liability account is also there. That is having the credit balance. Okay. See, 7 lakh for assets and correspondingly 7 lakh for liability. Okay, beta. Next. During the year, anyways, you will do in homework. Now, coming to the next point. This is point number C. First come to point number C, beta. First come to point number C. Okay, I know you can do so. I have skipped the question and that has been given in your homework. I know you can do it. This. Why to waste your time? Point number C is there. It is found from the books that a loan of 6 lakh was advanced on 30th September 2021. Remember, the year ending date is 31st March 2022. And it is 30th September 2021 when the loan was given. And at the rate of 10% per annum, interest payable half yearly. But the loan was outstanding on 31st March 2022 without any payment. Oh my God. In the meantime, there was no any payment in this regard. But can you please tell? Question is saying, can you please tell? The security for the loan was given this one, 10,000 fully paid up shares of 100 each. Market value is 98. As per the stock statement on September 30th, this was the information, but due to fluctuation, the price fell to rupees 40 per share in January. So, beta ji, now I can say that on 31st March 2022, the price as per stock exchange was 82 rupees per share. So, beta, you know the security realizable value at the year end was how much? How much was the security at the year end was? Can you please tell? Question is asking, state how would you classify the loan secured or unsecured in the balance sheet? Beta, I am waiting for an answer. Now tell me whether it is secured or unsecured. How will you classify? It is a good or bad? I am waiting. How would you classify whether it is secured or unsecured? They are not asking NPA or PA. They are just asking how would you classify whether it is secured or unsecured? Because if there is secured, then provisions may be at different rate. And if there is unsecured, then provision may be at different rate. What is the loan amount? 6 lakh. I am waiting for an answer, beta. Very good, Jyoti. Why it is called secured? Why it is called secured? Yes, sir. Because को base पसंद है? No. Because 10,000 shares are having 82 rupees market value at year end 31st March 2022. 8,20,000 is value of security. Value of security. And beta, loan was rupees 6 lakh that was outstanding on 31st March 2022. So I'm asking you just one thing, whether it is secured or unsecured. Of course, beta, security is sufficient to cover 6 lakh plus interest of 6 lakh. What is the amount of interest of 6 lakh? Sir, 6 lakh multiplied by 10% multiplied by October, November, December, January, February, March. 6 divided by 12, 30,000. So beta, 6,30,000 to be recoverable from customer, and that is properly covered by secured. Of course, it is fully secured. Very, very good beta. Now I want to discuss you one more thing, and after that I will discuss in next class acceptance. Otherwise there may be some confusion, because you have already learned two things of two types of matters connected with bills. Okay beta. So now I want to move further. Beta, there is a format of financial statement of this chapter, that is banking sector. Beta, in case of bank, you need to understand there is a format of bank for preparation of financial statement, and like as schedule 3 is there for companies, in the same way banking companies, that is banks, are having its own format. Wait, I am opening that. I think that is in the starting. Yes, wait a minute. There is a format. Yes, see, beta, how 82 Krishnan, wait a minute, you're talking about 82. Where is 82 beta? 8 lakh beta, 82 has been given by question, Babu. This is the data given by question. Okay beta Krishnan, question has already given that 82 is the price at year end. Okay beta Krishnan, doubt okay? Now coming back to the question. See, coming back to the main part of the class. Now we are moving to the next part, that is financial statement questions. But before that, we have to read first the format of financial statement, in which you will read balance sheet format, P&L format. Okay, and then we shall move to notes to accounts. Remember, these are also very, very important. Okay, can I start? Please show me your presence, beta, activeness. Please show me your activeness, everyone. Show me your activeness, beta. Give me a message. Give me a message, beta. Show me your activeness. You know, in case of company, you have already learned that the balance sheet format is there, in which you have learned. In case of schedule 3, is for company. And it is having its own format for financial statement of company, that is part 1 and part 2. This is for balance sheet and this is for statement of P&L, that is called SOPL. Okay, now beta, listen to me very carefully. And we have also learned there are two: division 1, division 2, etc., and division 3. You know, you have learned here division 1 is for format of those companies to which AS apply. Division 2 is for where Ind AS apply, and division 3 is for consolidated financial statement. These are for companies. Okay, beta. Now we are moving to bank. So we must know there is some specific requirement for the bank. Bank are having its own format. Its own format is there, beta. On format. And of course, there are also two parts. But here, parts have not been given number 1 and 2. As like in here, part 1, part 2. Here has been given form A. Sir, form A. Why we are saying form A? Beta, when we use the word format, in case of companies also, whatever, whenever we use the format, that represents there is a form which is to be filled up with the figures. Okay, beta, that's why it is called format. And each and every form is there which are having its own format. Beta, here name is also form A. Here it was not written that it is a part 1. It is form A, in which you will find the format of balance sheet of banks. Another point is also there, like part 2 there. Same here is form B. That is the format of SOPL, but here name is given as P&L account. What about GAAP and IFRS? Beta, I'm in banking class, so I'm not able to discuss the other things here that may clash to other faculties or other discussion. So that may create some confusion. So I'm not discussing here. If you still want to know, then I have already uploaded at YouTube a lot of chapters related to that. You can search anywhere. Anyways, I'm also giving the free classes there. Anyways, now I am telling you just one thing, beta. We have to learn first the format of the financial statement of banks. Beta, you know, here was a vertical format. In case of company, yes, sir. Here is also a vertical format. Yes, sir. Okay. Here were notes to accounts. Comparative figure are also there. Yes, sir. You know, in case of company, what happened there? Current year, previous year. Yes, sir. There were also what? There were also note number. Yes, sir. Note number of share capital was number 1 or number 2 or number 3. Sir, anything there may be. Sir, you are teaching us company chapter or banking chapter. But I am telling you just one thing for which I have to recall the concept. Here was equities and liability side. You know? Yes, sir. Here what you did? A, B, C, D. What you did here? Share capital, shareholders fund. Okay. Shareholders fund, in which you did share capital, reserve and surplus. Okay. So you have mentioned here note number 1. If there is a requirement to prepare its working note, then you give note number 1. And then here 2. Then here other points are also there. Application money pending allotment. Yes, sir. Application money pending allotment. Yes, sir. Then you give here note number 3. Sometimes you need note to prepare working note, and you what you do in that case, sir, we don't give number. We give number only to that which needs to prepare as a note. Yes. Suppose note is required there for this one only, and the capital is not there which need to calculate anything else. So you will assign number 1 to another head. Yes, maybe this will also not required. Then next point is there, non-current liabilities and provision. Yes, sir. Current liabilities and provision. Suppose numbering was not required up to application money pending, and then you can assign number 1 to this one if there is only this requirement to prepare the notes only for non-current liabilities. So number assigned to note was not pre-decided. Only the difference is there between the banks and companies. In case of banks, the number has been fixed for a particular head. Suppose this is the balance sheet format. This is the balance sheet format in which you are finding here the comparative figure. You are finding here the comparative figure. Yes, sir. and you are preparing here, suppose you are preparing here share capital, yes, then reserve and surplus, yes. Beta, note number here has been assigned fixed. If you have to given as per format, whatever I am discussing here, the note number 1 is fixed for this. Even though working note is not required for that, that one number cannot assign to another head. Number is fixed as per prescribed format. That is the thing I want to tell you. Beta, see, here is format which is in your homework. See, this is what part schedules forming part form A, balance sheet schedule, and here note number is not there. The name has been still as it was earlier, schedule. Instead of note number, we are saying here schedule number. Okay, beta. See, numbers have been fixed for capital. Number is 1 and reserve and surplus number is 2. And here the deposits have been given number 3, borrowing schedules, other liabilities, and after that the asset column starts. Then bank prepare its balance sheet in liquidity format. You know, marshalling you have already learned in foundation. Yes, sir. What does it mean by marshalling? Either liquidity order or permanence order? Yes. So here bank prepare its balance sheet in liquidity order. Okay, beta. So first in the asset side, the number has been given to liquid assets. Liquid assets, that is of course cash and bank balance. But these are liability schedule. Okay. Schedule is provided by RBI Act or Banking Regulation Act. Beta, Banking Regulation Act. Okay. Act is there which provides schedule. Anyways, RBI gives guideline. Now, beta, see. P&L is also having a fixed format. There is no trading, there is no manufacturing, there is only income or expense. So beta, see, 13 and 14 are just income, and correspondingly expenses are same, like interest earned, corresponding interest expense, other income, then operating expense. Okay, beta, very easy. These are what? These are expense side. Should I start with a question? Yes, sir. Please, sir, solve a question so that we can understand. Okay. Can I start? Yes, beta. Please open question number 18. Although I will not solve today. Today there will be homework for you. That please read this format properly. This one. Please read. This is your homework to read the format properly. Note number 1 is schedule number 1 is there. Capital is there. Then schedule number 2 is there. Reserve and surplus. Okay. Statutory reserve, capital reserve, share premium. Still name is there. This should be security premium, but the format is right from the beginning. So that the name is that the reason. Still the shares are there. Share premium is there. Next, deposits. You know, deposits. Bank has to receive. Bank is there to receive the money from the public. And that money may be payable on demand. Maybe you have done FD in the bank. Then where bank will show in its balance sheet, those are called term deposit. There is a term duration. Please, first you have to read these things. Okay, beta. Another point is there, borrowings. So bank may borrow. Yes, beta. Why not? Bank may borrow. Bank may borrow. Yes, beta. Bank may borrow locally. Bank may borrow from RBI. And here comes to the discussion for the LIBOR and MIBOR. LIBOR and MIBOR. LIBOR and MIBOR means, sir, beta, as I told you that I will discuss the theory at the right moment where you will understand properly. So I am now discussing another point, LIBOR and MIBOR. What does it mean? Beta, okay, I have already prepared for you a slide there in this. So I am going to show you. Yes, this one. This is the slide. Beta, see. This is a situation. India, RBI is there and banks are there. Banks, while take money from another bank, then the rate mentioned here is called MIBOR, Mumbai Interbank operating rate, okay, at which bank borrows from each other. And then LIBOR is London International Bank Rate, where domestic bank borrow money from foreign country or gives money to foreign country. Those are called London Interbank Offered Rate. Okay, beta, LIBOR. Now, coming back to the point. So after taking the borrowings, bank may borrow from RBI, Reserve Bank of India, or other banks, other institution, agencies, okay, borrowing from outside India. In that case, LIBOR will come into the situation. Other liabilities may be there, bills payable, inter-office adjustments, interest accrued, others. Okay, beta, cash and balance with RBI. Beta, yes, I will tell tomorrow, don't worry. Because Abdul, you know, I want to discuss the theory at the relevant point so that student cannot forget the thing, understand the properly. Okay. Now cash and bank balance is also there. So cash and bank balance, yes, but there is a cash reserve ratio. There is a cash reserve ratio so that bank can kept the cash up to a certain limit. You know, you have seen a lot of time. There are different cash van which are going with a security guard. There is a cab which has been covered from all the things, and there is a security with a rifle and etc. And they are moving the cash to different Paytms and other branches of bank. Yes, but that van comes to bank, to the branch which is in your local area. You will see they get collection of the cash which is in excess of the limit decided by RBI. That is called cash reserve ratio. But a cash is to be maintained up to a limit. After that, remaining cash is to be deposited with the RBI, and RBI how collect its cash and where RBI deposited its cash. Beta, see. Since I am also having the practical experience, so I am feeling good to tell you that. Beta, see. This is what? Sir, this is a graph. Yes, I know this is a graph. This is RBI. And these are the banks which have taken the license, from RBI, which are working in India at different places. You may see these banks are around you, and all these banks are working under the guidelines of RBI, and they are dealing with the public. Beta, that will be discussed tomorrow. Danesh, acceptance, endorsement, etc. are those. Okay, that's the reason I am not discussing about the same. Beta, those are not in the balance sheet. Those are, of course, in footnote. Okay, beta, Danesh? Yes. Beta, see. These are what? These are banks. And there are, wait a minute. There are different public persons. Control C, Control V. These are the public which are dealing in different area with the banks. You know, RBI does not go to each and every person. RBI has given the license to these banks so that they can deal with you all, beta. You will enjoy these things because these are the practical thing. And while you will be going to bank audit or bank practical, then definitely you will be enjoying this lecture, because all the things in the books are really practically happens. These are the public, in which local area they are finding bank. These are what? These are B4 banks, B4 banks, B4 banks, B4 banks. These are the banks which are dealing with the public. Beta, now see, if the public are more here, then definitely cash will be more here. Yes. Now see, suppose RBI has told only 5 rupees you will keep with you. So, and this branch has received more than 5 rupees. It means the excess cash will be handed over to RBI. Yes. Now RBI has selected a bank that has to be treated as bank for RBI. Now, each and every branch which are having more than its limit, the cash, those will deposit the cash here. The excess cash will be deposited here by way of when one of the local branch is selected by RBI as its own branch. If they are depositing the money there, those are called that RBI has collected, and this branch is given as a name currency chest. This is given as name currency chest. Currency chest. Here you will find that there are a lot of physical cash is there. Okay. And out of this area, bank has selected this one big branch. This is the big branch to whom RBI has selected, as its own branch. This is also currency chest branch. Beta, in this case, all these local branches will deposit excess cash to this branch, and definitely in this way it will be called the excess cash have been handed over to RBI. Okay, beta, this is called currency chest. Listen to me very carefully. So beta, the excess cash is handed over to RBI. Every bank needs sometimes amount to more to give loan to public. Okay beta, so bank may borrow or bank may deposit it. Each and every bank, I am telling you, each and every bank, even though I am sharing here the graph with 2 banks only, this is the situation of each and every bank. Every bank has to maintain the balance with RBI, and also they may take loan or they may they may give loan to RBI also. RBI may also require the loan. Okay beta, and here's come the situation of repo and reverse repo rate. I will tell you bank rate, lending rate, etc., but in the next class. Okay, so today is your homework. Only to read all these formats. These are the banks. So understand these. In India, balance with banks. One bank may have the bank balance with other banks. Okay, with banks or other deposit account, current account. Outside India may also be having the balance. Next, investments are also there. Bank may invest in India also and outside India also. Next, advances are also there. But another name of loan given is called advances. You already know these things. Okay. See, first you have to read this format properly. Advances, or you can say loan, may be in the special form. Every bank has separate bank or of RBI, or only one in the local area. Beta, one in the local area is selected for the surrounding branches. Okay, the instruction is given by RBI that these branches will cover the excess recovery of cash that will be handed over to this selected branch that has been assigned as the branch of RBI. Okay beta, now see, but these things can be discussed only with the practical audit exposure only. Okay beta, so that's the reason I am telling you that I always do practice also. So beta, bills discounted, cash credit, terms loan, okay, and the same thing is also reclassified whether these have been secured or not. Beta, this total is equal to this total. This is reclassified as a point of view of reclassified from point of view of security, secured or unsecured. The total is same. Anyways, now the same is the things reclassified from the point of view of in India or outside India. These are also just reclassification. Okay. Fixed assets, but of course fixed assets are there. Building, other fixed assets, furniture, etc., etc. You already know all the things. Depreciation will also be there. Next, other assets other than that. Okay, interest receivable, tax paid in advance, etc., etc. Okay, and contingent liabilities are also there. Beta, tomorrow I will tell you acceptance, endorsement, and other obligation. As I told you, beta, these will be discussed tomorrow. Okay. Now the last for today's discussion, because in tomorrow class we shall do the question. The format of P&L is this one. Beta, first we are having it here as incomes, and you already know the schedule number up to 12 has been finished here. So the schedule number there will start from 13 number. So this is the schedule number 13. Okay, interest income. Next, other income. Then next, interest expense, and then next, operating expense. Okay, beta. Okay, for today it is more than enough. Otherwise, you may get confused. So in the next class, we shall discuss all the things along with practice. Please give your feedback, whatever you are having. Beta, I am waiting for your message to say bye for today's session. We shall discuss and solve all the questions in tomorrow class. And tomorrow, banking will be finished and NBFC will be started. Hello everyone. Beta, show me your activeness. Yes, Abdul, Dinesh, Alok, Sapna, Jai Kumar, Pranav, Vedika, Krishnan, Jyoti, Pulkit, and all of the students. Okay, then bye bye for today. We shall meet tomorrow in the next class. Yes, sir, आइस ब्रेकिंग टेक्निक अच्छी यूज करते हो लेकिन बहुत फ्रिक्वेंटली करते हो, थोड़ा गैप देके करो. अच्छा, आइस ब्रेकिंग, ओके, मतलब आंखें खोलने वाली टेक्निक, ठीक है. इन दिस ICI VCC live cannot find notes. Okay, you are not able to find out notes, Krishnan. Uploaded. Beta, those have uploaded, please recheck. Okay. Okay then. Bye-bye.